Hey everyone, today we're in a team roller and I'll show you what to do when you get a fault code on the Truma Combi Boiler. I'll put up a picture now of what the fault code normally comes up with. So if you get that fault code, first things first, you want to go outside and make sure your gas bottle is turned on and it's full and connected properly. Second thing, on these team rollers, you come here where your shutoff valves are. Make sure they're all open and no one's accidentally shut them off like so. Make sure they're all open. For memory, I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's on the fridge line, but just open all of them. Also make sure you turn your water pump on prior so that you fill up your hot water tank before doing that. Okay, so if you've done that, open the gas, you come here, push that, go to hot, and make sure it's on gas there. If you want to go on electricity, just select electricity, but make sure that's on gas and hot, and you should hear it switch on. If it doesn't switch on and comes with the fault code, turn it off, go back there. If it doesn't switch on and you still get the error code, you'll have to reset it. So you can either reset it by pushing that back button and just leaving it here and retrying it again. If you've checked all the shutoff valves, tried the reset procedure on the control and still not working, come to your window wherever your gas heater is located. So the heater boiler is located here. So come to the window, there's a safety switch here. If you look there, the Truma switch. Make sure the window is closed. See that switch there? If it's in the open position, that vent over there, can you see that vent? That vent over there will basically allow the emissions from burning a open flame to enter the cabin area. So that's why the safety switch is there. So we want to make sure that's closed. So that switch is closed and that switch is activated when this window is open. That means the gas boiler will not work because it's not activated there. So the switch is not on. Close that. And then go ahead and try the controller again. Push this. Make sure this is on gas. Push that and there, and make sure you go to hot. You can go to boost if you want it a bit warmer, but just go to hot and just see if it ignites with the gas bottle open. If it's still not igniting, we'll move on to the next step, which is getting underneath here and accessing the boiler. So you normally have this cover over here. What you want to do is just pull this cover out and see that switch over here, the little micro switch. You just press and hold it for about 10 seconds. Just hold that. That should reset your code and it should reset the whole system. Once that's done, you can go ahead and slot this back in there. What you'll notice is if you've got a fault code stored there and you press and hold that reset button, that code should clear and it should reset this whole boiler. So open the gas bottle, put that on, put the water pump on, and go through the procedure I just showed you earlier, and make sure that window is closed or wherever that switch is located on your camper. If you don't know where it is located, just go outside and look for the exhaust, which I'll go outside and show you shortly. And that's where the switch will normally be located in that window. So I hope this video was of some help to you. If it was, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay tuned for more content to come in the near future. And as always, please like and subscribe. See you, everyone. So we're outside the motorhome now. That's what your exhaust looks like on a Truma Combi Boiler. And if you look up here, that's where your window is. Hence the reason that safety switch is there.